Okay, so I have a problem. This is my Nintendo Switch bag. Inside, I have games just kind of laying around everywhere. These are actually 3 games. I got Minecraft, Mario Kart, and Super Smash Bros. I also have these little things here. These are very handy, but they only hold 4 a piece. And I have 2. So being someone who owns a 3D printer, I am someone who makes solutions. So this would not cut it for me. Since I was young, I've been very, I don't know what the word would be, picky about how things are stored. And just to have things loosely in here, I'm just not a fan of it. So I came up with a solution. Well, I didn't come up with it. Someone else came up with it and put it on Thingiverse. I printed it, and it looks awesome. Let me show you that. Enter. You won't close. Well, I want you to close. Let's close you. Close. Perfect. Enter this bad boy right here. So this is a pretty awesome tool. As you can see, it can hold up to 20 games. 5, 5, 5, 5. And it even has a way you can see the games through here. So let me get these games added in and show you what it looks like. But yeah, it printed very well. I'm pretty happy with my Ender 3. Okay, I got 5 in. Let me show you this satisfying click that you get out of this. So listen carefully. I'm just going to slide it in there and click. Let's do another one, because one is not enough. Okay, that one wasn't that epic, but you get the point. You just put these bad boys in here, pops right in, and it just looks awesome, especially with it closed. So, last one. And the reason why I'm doing it like this, you'll see shortly, but pop that guy in, close it, and there you have it. Pretty awesome. I'll have this linked in the description. This is not something I created. This is just something I printed, so I'm not taking ownership of this really cool model. But I mean, look how awesome that is. That makes my life so much easier. Instead of having these things, I can just open up this, stick this in here, or yeah, right here would be where it would be, because I don't carry a dock in this bag, and close it. And I don't have to worry about my game spilling out. So yeah, this is just a quick video. I'm trying to do more content, working on it. It is in progress. I got a lot of things I want to talk about. I'm going to start recording starting this week. So I've already recorded some, so that will be up here soon. So yeah, I've been thinking a lot, and that's my problem. I'm thinking too much. No content is bad content. So I'm going to be coming out with more videos. This is just one. I have a lot more other really quick solution videos I'm going to be putting up that I've 3D printed. Kind of made this really quick. I get probably a longer video on my laser coming out here soon. I did get a laser, which is pretty cool. I'm currently printing upgrades for that guy, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, this is just a quick video from me. If you have a Nintendo Switch and you think this is useful, print it out. It's life-changing. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.